Welcome. This is Daniel Boating. We are progressing our beginner lessons. Today we are going to look at how to tune your guitar without this electronic tuner. We are going to learn how to tune the guitar by ear. We are going to learn how to tune the guitar by ear. Alright, in order to tune our guitar by ear, I am fortunate and privileged to have this electric tuner, this tuner over here. So I'm going to show you tune the guitar with the tuner. After that, I will destroy the tune of the guitar and then use my ear to tune it. I'm going to show you all these things. So let's tune the guitar with the tuner. Okay, it's okay. It's good. It's good. Okay. A bit higher. Good. We have tuned the guitar, so let us keep some of the notes in mind. These are the notes, the correct tune of the guitar. Okay, so I am making a hum. I am making a hum. Good. Yeah, I am keeping this tone in mind in order to tune the guitar. So without much ado, let me distune the guitar. Let me distune the guitar. Okay, I'm distuning the guitar. Okay. All right. Now the guitar is out of tune. So like I was saying, I had to keep one tone in mind. Good. Now I have this is very close to the E string. Yes, this is the sound. Now if you are able to get this, now count from the first to the fifth fret, which is A. So the tone you get over there is your string A. Okay. Good. Yeah, I hope you have seen it. Now let's go to the A string, fifth fret. A string, fifth fret is D. So okay, so we are going to use this to tune the D. Good, we have it. Yeah, we have it. Good. Now let's go to the fifth fret of the D string. Then the tone over there is G. So we are going to use this to tune the string G. Good. Now the fourth fret on the G string is B. So we are going to use this tone to tune the B. Okay. Good. Then you confirm from the 4th fret on the G string. Yeah, afa. Then you come back to the 5th fret on the B string. Is that one is E. Okay, so we are going to tune. Okay, so yeah, we have it. Good. So now I have been able to tune the guitar. Okay, I have to good. All right, so that is how the guitar is tuned in the absence of an electric tuner. Let me go over. You can distune the guitar. You distune the guitar, keep one note in mind. When I was starting, I kept the E string tone. I kept this tone in mind, so I use this to tune all the notes, the strings. So from the E, I came to 5th fret on the E string, that is A. Then I got my A. Then I went to the 5th fret on the A. I got the D. Good. I went the 5th fret on the D. I got G. Then I have G. I went to the 4th fret on the G. That is B. Then I got B. Good. Then I went to the 5th fret on the B. I got E. That is it. So, dear friends, this is a technical way, or the best way to tune your guitar by your ear. I want you to practice this, learn this, so that whenever you go anywhere in church or whatever, wherever you find yourself, you can be able to tune your guitar. Thank you for your understanding. We will meet next time for another lesson.